guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change username in your TikTok account. So guys, if you want to change your TikTok username but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. You just need to open TikTok first, and once you're here, just look at the lower bar where you can find the options, home, friends, the add button, inbox, and profile. Just go ahead and tap on profile over here, and once you're there, just look at the space where it says following, followers, likes, and right under it you can find two options like edit profile and share profile. Since username is a feature that appears on profile, we just need to tap on edit profile in order to change it. Now you can see options like name, username, and bio. Just go ahead and tap on username, and now choose the username that you like. It says here that usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. So you should not add something that does not fall under these categories. And it also says that you can change your username once every 30 days. So choose carefully, and once you do so, you'll see the option save over here, and just go ahead and tap on save. And in this way, you would successfully be able to change your username on TikTok. There you go guys, that's how you change username on TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.